I'm out doing some testing of the Golden Max 4Xtreme. I've got a wheat penny. This is the 11 by 13 coil. Now we're just going to go straight to the tougher tests with this detector because it is really good in iron. It's 2 crusty nails. Pretty easy. So the nails are pretty quiet, or they just chirp a little bit. I'm gonna go up the next level. It's really not a challenge at all for this detector. Now we'll do the on-edge test. We're just going to put it right up close. I'll turn up the volume a little bit more so that way you can hear it better. Let's put it right up against it. That is going to be pretty tough. I put the penny or the nails back the way they were. I got the penny here. I'll stick the penny back in there. Look at that. That is ridiculous. That is extreme, 4Xtreme. This thing is... I don't know how to top that. Maybe we'll try covering it like we did with the Vortex. I'm gonna need some more iron to do this test. Got a rusty nut there. Sorry about the camera work. Trying to do this one-handed. That's a terrible excuse. Should buy a tripod. Actually, I've got one, but it's too big for this little camera. So anyway, that looks pretty good. Let's see what it does now. Let's put this closer. Starting to lose it. I think that this is gonna do it in here. Penny out of there. Got the penny here. So I think that we're just hearing the iron when it's that close. But when the penny's in there and it's a little further apart, make sure it's under there good. I would say that is extreme. So this metal detector is definitely living up to its name.